e-commerce on your website, let's go to dashboard. You have to go to a plugin. You have to install a plugin called WooCommerce. Click on add new and go to search for WooCommerce and make sure you install the right plugin. I'll just remove the space. Here's the WooCommerce plugin. You can see the name, install and activate. As you know that WordPress can be easily extended, so you can even extend your website to e-commerce. You can create a store page and have your products and all the details there, and add to cart button, your checkout page, and then you have to integrate the payment gateway to accept payments. You'll have multiple plugins by WooCommerce, but for now you just have to install WooCommerce to set up your product pages. Once it's installed, you have to activate it. And it's installed. Activate this plugin. Sometimes it may take more than usual time. Just have patience. Activate this. Alright, it's been activated. Now you'll see the setup wizard. You do have an option to skip this. Let this load and we'll skip this up. I'll just skip the setup store details thing. And here I'm on back to my dashboard. Now if you see, you'll have this WordPress WooCommerce installed here, and you'll see all the settings of WooCommerce. Now go to products. These are the different tabs you'll see once you put up WooCommerce, and how to check whether it's installed or not. Now you can see two tabs, view site and view store. View store would be blank for now because we haven't added any products yet, and the link to it is your site name /shop. Now all my products will come here. What I'll do, I'll go to product, I'll create a product. I'll just add a sample product here. Maybe I can put a product name. Let's say, I'll just put this. I'll just also put some description to it, or I'll just add a product, sample product for now. I can add product image. I'll just upload a product image. You can add as many images here. You can even set up a gallery of images here. Right now I've updated just one. You can add more images to just one product. And then I will just also put some description here. Let's say I'll just remove this from here. You have both the options of a short description and long description. So I'm adding short description, and I've also added the long description, and I'll publish this. Once you publish the product, and you can also change the prices and everything, you'll have all the options. Let's say I'm just putting it to $5.50. You can have this regular price and sale price. By default, you will see in dollar. You can go to WooCommerce settings and change the currency if you want. Now if you go to your shop page again, see this, and you'll have that product here. Here you go. Here's my product, and add to cart button. I'll click on the product. On left you'll have an image, on right you'll have some content, which is your description, and you'll have another description. So you have your short description and you have your long description here. You can add more images, you'll already have this feature of zoom, and then you can go and click to add to cart. Here's your cart. Go to view cart. Right now you cannot see these cart in your menu or your checkout page in menu, and not even shop page in menu, so you'll have to add it manually. And I'll go to proceed to checkout. You also have option of coupon code, you can explore more there. And here's the billing thing, and then you have to add your payment method, which is your payment gateway. And you go back to your dashboard, go to your appearance, go to your menus. We'll just add all these pages here. Once you go to menu, once you install WooCommerce, you'll find these pages as well. So I'll add my shop page, cart page, and checkout. And if you want to add your account page as well, here you go. And I can just move them wherever you want to. I want my cart to be here, I want my checkout and my shop page to be maybe somewhere after about, and maybe my account at the last point. And we'll just click on save menu. Now here I'll go to my home, and you can see all these here: your home, your about, shop, your cart, checkout, and my account. Right now you don't have much space here, that's why this order online is going haywire. You can go to customize and just set it again in your header builder. So here you go, this is your shop page with all the products. Whichever products you'll add will come here. You can even choose some category and add the category to your product. Then here you have your cart page, your checkout page, and your account page. All these pages are here, and that's your dashboard. You can explore more in WooCommerce, in products and WooCommerce settings. Whatever orders can come, everything can be managed from here.